You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce correctly the names of the 8 Hawaiian Islands. We're going to be looking at how to say them in different ways, how they're said locally, and how it's commonly said in English. The first one is Maui. Maui. That one is easy and pretty much everybody pronounces it the same way. The second one has different pronunciations. Hawaii. Hawaii. So I've got to make a little parenthesis here. You see all those little apostrophes, what look like apostrophes in Hawaiian names, like this one? Well, that's called an okina. What this does is that you have to break up your voice between the two I's there. Hawaii. Hawaii. Okay, you break the E sound a little bit. Hawaii. So that's how a lot of people pronounce it locally. Many say it as Hawaii. Hawaii as well. Both pronunciations are used, like a V or like a W. Now a lot of people don't use the little okina and say simply Hawaii, Hawaii, sorry, Hawaii or Hawaii or Hawaii. Same here, you also have these okina. A lot of people locally say it as Koho'olave. Here the W is pronounced like a V. Koho'olave. Did you get this? You can skip the okina as well and say Koho'olawe. Lave, sorry. Koho'olave. Molokai. Molokai. Or many say it simply as Molokai. Lanai. Lanai. Or Lanai. Oahu. 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 Kauai. Kauai or Kauai. Ni'ihau. Ni'ihau. This one you pretty much have to use the okina, otherwise it sounds like ni hao, which is different in Chinese, I guess. Ni'ihau. And there you have it, the 8 islands from Hawaii. More videos for you here to learn more Hawaiian vocabulary and more pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.